Introducing the new HYDRAPRO Smart CPU series. Adaptable and versatile, the HYDRAPRO Smart CPU series can be fully integrated into new and existing systems. Our touchscreen interfaces allow for easy access and user-friendly navigation through the various program features. The HYDRAPRO Smart CPU series provides continual monitoring and feedback. This not only reduces downtime, but increases system efficiency. These sophisticated controls offer the facility to monitor system performance as well as mains and rainwater consumption. Built to industrial specification, the HYDRAPRO Smart CPU series are CE marked and built with quality in mind. HYDRAPRO, setting the standards in water filtration.